What was your first three-way experience like and how satisfactory was it? It was amazing, honestly. Me and this guy, who's my coworker, have been hooking up for a few weeks, and he brought up the idea, and being the down-ass bitch I am, of course I wanted to do it. He found a girl on a dating app and she came over to his place. We were just chilling, drinking, smoking. She was so fine, so me and her started making out. We all were touching each other and kissing. I went down on her while he fucked me. It was just so good, lasted for an hour or so. I think what was really great about it was that we were all so into it and were focused on pleasing each other. And since we're all single, there was no jealousy. Since it was so great, we did it again last night and it lasted for about 3 hours. And it was even better this time.